Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Kipling backpack for boys, the Kipling Women's Seoul Small Tablet Backpack. Despite being designed with women in mind, this backpack's durability, practical features, and sleek style make it a fantastic choice for boys as well. Right off the bat, the Kipling Seoul stands out due to its compact yet spacious design. Measuring 10 inches in length, 13.75 inches in height, and 4.5 inches in depth, it's perfectly sized to carry daily essentials without feeling bulky. One of its standout features is a dedicated tablet sleeve, making it ideal for students or young tech users who want to keep their devices safe and secure. Whether it's for school, travel, or everyday use, this backpack offers great organization and convenience. The backpack is made from Kipling's signature crinkled nylon material, known for being both lightweight and water-resistant. This means it can handle the wear and tear of everyday life, plus unexpected weather, without adding unnecessary weight. For active boys, this durability combined with easy maintenance is a huge advantage. Comfort is another priority with this backpack. The padded shoulder straps are designed to reduce strain, even when carrying heavier loads. These straps are adjustable too, so the fit can be customized for different sizes, which is perfect for growing kids. The lightweight design ensures that it doesn't weigh down on your shoulders, making it comfortable for long school days or weekend adventures. The Seoul backpack also boasts a playful yet classic aesthetic. Available in multiple colors, including a vibrant red rouge, it reflects Kipling's commitment to personal style. The iconic Kipling furry monkey keychain hanging from the zipper adds a fun touch that many kids and teens love. This blend of style and function makes it more than just a school bag. It's an accessory that suits various lifestyles. In terms of storage, aside from the tablet sleeve, the backpack offers a main compartment that can fit books, notebooks, or even a light jacket. There's also an exterior zippered pocket for quick access to smaller items like keys, snacks, or a phone. This layout helps keep everything organized and easily accessible. Another thing to note is the brand's reputation for quality. Kipling has been creating durable and stylish bags for decades, and the Seoul backpack is a reflection of that legacy. It's a reliable choice for anyone looking for a balance between fashion and practicality. When it comes to price, the Kipling Seoul Small Tablet Backpack is reasonably priced, especially considering the materials and design quality. It provides excellent value for parents wanting a durable and stylish bag for their child without breaking the bank. To sum it up, the Kipling Women's Seoul Small Tablet Backpack is a versatile, durable, and stylish backpack that fits the needs of boys looking for a reliable daypack. Its compact size, padded straps, dedicated tablet sleeve, and playful design make it an excellent choice for school, travel, or everyday use. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.